Hayama, Japan. This 63 square meter home transforms a compact footprint into a calm, surprisingly open retreat. Designed by FujiwaraMuro Architects, the house sits quietly within a dense coastal neighborhood of closely spaced homes. From the street, solid white walls protect the interior while keeping the architecture simple, private, and understated. A recessed entrance leads into a narrow gencon where pale oak and warm plaster soften the transition. Beyond the entry, the open-air courtyard becomes the true heart of this carefully organized two-level home. It brings sunlight, fresh air, greenery, and open sky deep inside while preserving privacy from neighbors. On the ground floor, the bedroom and bathroom face the courtyard, creating a quiet, everyday connection outdoors. A deep soaking tub sits beside the glazing, giving the bathroom an intimate open-air feeling without exposure. The exterior stair rises through the courtyard, connecting the private lower level with the social spaces upstairs. Above, the living room opens through full-height glazing toward an elevated deck overlooking the central courtyard. Pale oak, linen, warm plaster, gray stone, and bronze details create a restrained, natural material palette. The dining area connects directly with the rounded kitchen, keeping movement simple and the compact interior continuous. Large overhanging eaves soften strong daylight, while reflective white plaster spreads gentle light throughout the rooms. For the couple and their dog, the courtyard also creates an easy outdoor route between both levels. By night, warm interior light reveals the home's layers, proving thoughtful planning can make small spaces feel generous.